Hi everyone. So for this assignment, I wanted to pick Disney Plus because it's my favorite streaming platform and it's my go-to streaming platforms to watch movies. And I think it's much better than HBO, Netflix, and Hulu because it's um it's the cheapest streaming platform and you only need to pay $7 a month. And I share this account with my sister. So I only need to pay 350 a month, and I think that's a really good deal. Also, I really think Disney Plus is is really easy to navigate and it has a lot of good movies. It's not just like the typical Disney movies such as Beauty and the Beast, Little Mermaid, and Lion King. It has a lot of original films and it also has like let's just say over here it also has like Marvel, Star Wars, and National Geographic, which I was really surprised. And I found out that Disney owns all of these is and yeah, and I really like how Disney is really diverse and with all their TV shows and movies, and it's really easy to navigate. And let's just say over here, these are um, the recommended movies and TV shows for me based on what are the things I've watched. So recently, I watched a lot of Marvel movies, so they've been recommending me a lot of other Marvel movies that I haven't watched. And over here is pretty self-explanatory. It's really easy. It says it's telling me what's new to Disney Plus, and these are all the movies and documentaries that are just added. And over here is the continue watching section. So recently I've been watching a lot of um, like spooky ghost and Halloween movies. And these are the movies that I'm really happy that they added to Disney Plus because I these movies are my childhood and um, it's really great that they're adding all these old Disney Channel movies on Disney Plus because it just shows they're not forgetting that Disney is not just for kids, it's also for teens and young adults, and they're caring about all the audience and demographic. And also there are Disney Plus originals also and more mature movies. And I was really happy that they added Hamilton to Disney Plus. And even though Hamilton is not really a quote unquote, a Disney movie, it's still added to Disney Plus because since COVID-19, a lot of the entertainment industry has been hit really hard. But adding a lot of shows such as Hamilton or other Broadway shows really help the entertainment industry and also the audience to enjoy TV shows and movies at home. So yeah, so as you keep scrolling down, you could just pick any TV show or movie or any original film that is to your liking, and I'm pretty sure that there is at least a few films that you would be grateful to watch over and over again. So yeah, this is my favorite website.